What is up, everybody? Welcome to the series where I open a pack every week to see how much debt I end up in. To start us off here, I've got a pack of Dominaria United. I picked it up for $5. Let's see how this goes. For me, the big hit here would be a Shieldred the Apocalypse coming in at $100. Unfortunately, no Shieldred today, but at least it looks like we got our money back. I'm just going to speed through the rest of the comments here. Make sure you pay the one and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Alrighty, it looks like it's just about it. Hopefully I'll see you next week, and thanks.